You know, everybody has a different outlook on this, but the way I see it is when someone chooses to hire a lawyer, they're choosing someone to be the leader of this situation. And when you do that, you have to make the decisions that you make for the whole picture. So, for example, someone might think that they would never enter a plea in a case, and that might be right. And you should never push someone to that too hard or anything. However, it is part of the job, not only under the Constitution, but in my view, ethically, and to be a good leader to that person, to explore every idea so they have all the different angles before them. I mean, it's very important never to be afraid to go to trial, never to not want to do the work to go to trial, because that's what we do and we like it. However, if someone's grounded to the position that no matter what, they have to fight it, they might be making that decision for all kinds of reasons. What other people think, not wanting to appear to back down, or maybe not wanting to admit something that's difficult to admit, but that decision might be the wrong one. Again, all that matters is their life, their overall picture. And so you have to explore every idea with your client to make sure they're getting the right thing. You see it happening all the time. I mean, people might be going to a trial and you sort of figure out along the way, maybe someone else's case or maybe your own, you know what? They don't really want to do this. They really don't. They recognize that the penalty is going to be way higher if they lose. They recognize the percentage chances. And really, people should be looking at it more like a business deal. When the government attacks you with a criminal charge, this is like a disease. And you can't fight a disease with emotion. You have to make the right choices so that you get rid of it, right? And so I think sometimes and many times that is to fight it. Other times it's not. When should a person take a plea? Well, if the evidence is completely overwhelming and the penalty is going to be substantially higher for going to trial, then they should take a plea. That should probably be the decision. But usually it's not quite like that. It's somewhere maybe in the middle, and you just have to navigate through that and figure it out. But one thing I definitely believe in is you have to be the leader of bringing those decision points to the table for them. They decide it, but you can't allow your trajectory to be chosen by the person who's under this stress, who's got all these kind of competing interests going on. Of course, they decide in the end, but you need to do the work to present them with the choice so they can make the right one.